Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making easy mutton biryani within half an hour. Good recipe for Eid. Oil half cup, whole spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, chopped onion 1 cup, green chilies 4 to 5. Split the green chilies. Saute on medium heat for 2 minutes or until changes color. Ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons. Saute for 2 minutes. Mutton 750 grams. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoons. Chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Mix everything. Curd half cup. Water 2 cups. Mix everything. Pressure cook for 5 whistles. Transfer everything to one big bowl for cooking biryani. Water 2 cups. Mint and coriander handful. Salt as per taste. Coconut milk 1/4 cup. Mix everything. Soaked rice 3 cups. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Biryani essence optional 1 tablespoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Dum for 5 minutes on low heat. Add ghee on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.